Well, looky, who gave me a present. Giddy up. We're here at Dolly Parton Stampede. Dolly Parton Stampede. May 26th, Memorial Day. My actual birthday. We're basically like 85-year-olds tonight. From the parking, you're gonna go see all the horses that are in the show. Pretty mean stuff. Horses will bite. Lawless. The most handsome horse in the barn. Dallas. Aww. Janie. Danny. I forgot to say where we're at. We're in Branson, Missouri.
Yeah, we're 85-year-olds.
85-year-olds, right. We're in Toy Strap City. Love it. my paradise.
Who showed up today?
Oh, my mom. Toblerone. My mom came out for my birthday. She's here for a couple of weeks.
That's what Bret looks like in the morning. That's thinking bad jokes.
In July 1925, families from all over came to Missouri to cheer for either the North or the South in Dolly Parton's Stampede.
We are North tonight.
Look at this, the pre-show in the saloon. Bluegrass band. It's a nice treat. Cute little boot. Dollar Blue 2025 edition. It's a must-see once. That's fine. It's cute. If you're ever in Branson, or Pigeon Forge, or Myrtle Beach. Look at these horses, the stars of the show. Anyway, check it out.